Hello and welcome back. In this episode we will take a little closer look on this Magna-Flux instantaneous demagnetizer, which is one of those first things I bought back in 2020 during the pandemic, and maybe it was 2019, not sure, but here we have a very good tool which you actually will need, because with time your tool will get magnetized, and this is what you will use for it. Just to show you example what will happen with time, I will show you with this one. So for example, you have been working and eventually you will notice this, and you're moving all the you're trying to place the screw and you can't because it's magnetized. This actually happens now and then for me. So the solution for this is of course to use a magnetizer, and I suggest to you just if you're working with watches regularly, just do it the same thing with this one. Maybe each Sunday go through your tools, check how they are, the quality on them, and then use the Demag on them. So just to show you a little bit how this one works, just to show you the effect. This one is very nice. You can really good. And the same thing, like if you try to do it again, look at that. And then we will try another one. Oh yeah, I have, here is another one. For example, you have like yes, you can see all of them go away. So basically by doing that, try to be sure that you don't have too many of them, because they can get lost, of course. Just wanted to show you the reaction in this one. This one comes from the United States, and it's very, I mean, there are cheaper versions. You can find like maybe $10, between 20 and 25 with shipping, maybe more cheaper. And I don't have much experience of those, because I tend to buy those pricey quality tools, because you always know they will work. I mean, this probably has I don't know how many years it has. I will try to find the information, but it's basically working very well, and you get what you pay for. Then you can do all of them. Go through like this. You can do more than once if you want. Just take this as a routine to do this. Maintain your tools. Check it how they work. And just one more time with this. And another one with this. So basically we have this little light when you press there. Very nice. And when you have done that, then you're finished, and none of them will have any magnetic on the edges, so that's very good. And yeah, just try to keep it regularly so that won't happen, because when you're actually working with the watches and you don't want to have that problem, and you just want to keep moving on with the project, you don't want to go to the demagnetizer and do that. But sometimes it can happen, and just to have one of these is priceless, I think. Bergion has another version also. I haven't tried doing that for many times before this one. never won it. They can cost a little bit, but you get what you pay for, right? And sometimes maybe the cheap version doesn't work so good. I don't know. What is your experience with demagnetizer? Do you like? Do you have? What do you have? And do you like it? So basically, this is very valuable to have in your workshop. If you don't have one, go and buy it. You will need it sooner or later. So just a little tool from the workshop. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, God bless and take care.